Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved this finger coil wave wig using Lush Braid. So if you want to know how I achieved this hairstyle, please stay tuned and don't go away, guys. So after I finished doing the braid the wig, this is the results. So guys, I'll be using Lush Braid for this tutorial. Condom wig cap, pin, rod, that's Brazilian rollers, and scissors, and needle and thread and gel for this tutorial, guys. So guys, I cut it into two. I use cutting two for this tutorial, then I draw it off. So I pick the quantity which I want and start wrapping it around the rod. Guys, there's something you should get note of in this stage. You should make sure that this quantity you're wrapping on the rod should be the same thing with the rest. What I mean, I wrapped like this. I have like 5 pieces of it, 6. I did 6 so that in case it's not enough. So but at the end of the day, what I used was 5. So you wrap it, you make sure that the quantity are the same, because it will help after wrapping the wave to come out very well, and for the lining of the wave to be on the same line to get our coils and the wave we're going to use for this tutorial. So guys, just stay tuned, be watching till we get to where we can come back again and say something. Just watch. So after you put it in the hot water, you dry it off. You can allow the braid to dry very well before you use, but I started using mine immediately, but it's not going to affect the work. So you just open it up, scatter it a little bit. The pattern you're going to, not like you're going to split it off. You won't be splitting it. You just open it, separate the braid, and so that the coils, that wave will come out very well. After then, it will start sewing it in on the hair. Just watch. As you can see, while I'm laying in, placing the braid on the wig cap, the waves are on the same line. I don't know if you notice it. That is because while I was wrapping it around the rod, I used the same quantity and the same method in wrapping it around. So definitely they will be falling into place just like this. So after I finish placing two, I'll be sewing, because if I place all of them at the same time, it will be very difficult for me to sew. So what I'm going to do, I'll start sewing in. So I'm not sewing on top of the wave. I'm only sewing on that part, that particular place you saw that laps on the body of the cap. Just watch me very well. You see the only place I'm sewing. So I didn't sew the other one because if I sew on top of it, that means I wanted it to flatten up. So I wanted the wave to come out very well. That's why I'm sewing in between. The in between that you're sewing will make it look stronger and it will not even scatter till you finish wearing it. So this I'm going to be placing all of them and be sewing it. While I'm also doing that, I'll be applying gel to hold it up. The gel will help it to get stronger, and also it will help the coils to come out, and it will help you while you are doing your sewing as well. So guys, let me allow you to watch to the ending part. It's very self-explanatory. Please, if you know that this video was helpful somehow to you, please don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up, share, subscribe, and comment, and turn your notification bell till I meet you in my next video very soon, guys. Bye. I love you.
What we do here is go back.